video to my journey. I got a whole lot of backstory to give y'all on that, but for today we're gonna do an empty house tour because me and my wonderful husband are now homeowners. So we're gonna do a house tour. So let's get started. So this is our foyer. We first walk in. Front door. Area foyer. This front room right here is going to be my office. I have a lot of space in here. I think I'm going to put my desk this way. So I can look out the window. I don't want Rob to spend too much time in here because I think he's going to start liking this room and then he's going to tell me that he wants to be in here. So I'm going to go this way. This is our kitchen. It is absolutely beautiful. At first, we were not a big fan of the white cabinets, but the way it goes with this granite countertops is just popping. All of the details to the kitchen, we didn't get to choose, but we were blessed because it just came out so nice. The way our house works is the upgrades are packaged, so whatever the package is for the house, that's what you get, and it just so happened that this was something that we really loved and we fell in love with. We have several cabinets, several storage drawers. I definitely think that we're going to switch out the hardware on the cabinets and the drawers, but I'm not ready to spend all my money on doing that, so that's going to be a later project. Refrigerator is going to go here, and our pantry. Nice size. Definitely going to have some organization videos coming soon for that. You're such a good camera guy. Cabinets. We have Whirlpool appliances that came with our house. Granite, backsplash, all this came with it. Double sink. Love it. And go ahead and go outside to our beautiful deck. So nice. We're in a new subdivision, so we still we got more house to see. This is our living room. Love this space. It's so open. I love how the kitchen, the dining room, which the dining room is that way. The dining room, the living room, and the kitchen, the open floor plan, so the whole room just flows together. So this is gonna be perfect because I have a big family and my husband has family, so we're gonna do a lot of entertainment in this room. Oh, recess lighting. Oh, forgot to show that. Oh, that's the light for outside. Have lots of recess lighting. All of our lights, fixtures, everything was packaged together, so we didn't have to. We paid for the package upgrades, but it wasn't anything like that we had to like pay for separately because everything was packaged together. I think this is already on. I just need to hit the closet. And we have a 2-car garage. Lots of space. And we'll be able to fit both of our cars and storage. That's gum. Oh, that's a piece of paper. I thought they left the gum in here. I was about to say. This is one of 3 of our bathrooms. It's a full bathroom. So our guests won't have to go upstairs. They can just use the downstairs bathroom. This is my wonderful husband's office. / man cave because I'm gonna deck it out for him. I'm gonna let him pick this stuff out though. But I'm gonna make sure that, it's gonna look that. It's gonna look that. Alright, now let's make our way upstairs. Alright, now we're gonna head upstairs. Alright, so when you get up to the top of the steps, you're gonna take a right, and this is our master suite. I am absolutely obsessed with every detail of this room. And this is our master bathroom. So, we have a double vanity. We have our shower. Bathroom, toilet. I always forget what this little room is called. Next is the master closet. Now, my husband really loves me, y'all, because this is actually going to be his closet. Just for him. And I'm going to tell y'all why in a second. This is his closet. But look at all the space that he has for his things. And I ain't gonna lie, we running neck and neck because he has a lot of things. Then he has a second closet. And his second closet, more than likely, is gonna be his shoe closet. Yes, I said shoe closet because he has just as many shoes as I do. Alright, next, we'll go back out to the master. Now we're going to pass back by the stairs. To the right, it's going to be our laundry room. We're going shopping for that. And then, so now, right across the hall from our master bedroom, I look a mess. I'm sorry, I look a mess today, but it's been a long week trying to get it closing. But this room is going to be my closet. So excited, y'all. So excited. I got a lot of stuff. And I need a little girl room, a little vanity room, little me thing, little me space. Just for me. This is why my husband has the whole closet to himself, because this room is actually going to be a closet. I'm going to get everything, more than likely, not specifically custom. I'm going to get everything from IKEA. But I'm definitely going to be taking y'all on that journey as I design and decorate everything for this room. So once we come up the steps, leaving out of the master bedroom, it's going to be our loft area. This is going to be the room where we kind of going to design it for the kids. And if you hear knocking, we're in a new subdivision, so they're still building beside us, so don't pay that any attention. But this is going to be a loft area, and this room is going to be basically designed for the kids. We're going to more than likely do like a sectional or some kind of like lounge sofa in this area. We're going to get the TV mounted on this wall right here. And we're just going to make it like a nice room where the kids can chill out somewhere outside of their room. And we'll look back up the hallway. Got a closet right here. My closet room right there. It's going to be the laundry room straight ahead, and then the master bedroom again is to the right once you come up the steps. All right, so once we get down the hallway, the first room to the right is going to be my daughter's room. She is 6, and she is very excited about decorating this room. She's already planned out everything. I'm not gonna get into too much detail about her room because she's gonna actually have a separate vlog video that she wants to do herself to show y'all how she's gonna be decorating her room. So this is gonna be her room. Right outside of their room is gonna be their bathroom. I always forget where the light is in here. They also have double vanities. And they have a linen closet inside their bathroom, which is absolutely amazing because kids have so much stuff, and it's gonna be a perfect place for me to store like all their towels and everything separate from everybody else's. Their bathroom. So if you notice, we have 3 full bathrooms, which is awesome. And we're gonna go back out of the bathroom. And we're gonna head right. And we have our linen closet, which is also very spacious. And then down the hall, which is the last room, is my son's room. My son is 10, so he's at that preteen kind of stage. He's kind of lingering because he's still into like Spider-Man and everything, and I'm a mom, let them be little. I'm not gonna rush my child to not like what he likes or change him. But he's in the video games, he's in the Spider-Man, so I'm kind of letting him do his own thing also with his room. He's already put in some requests for some things that he wants specifically for his room, but yeah, we're gonna get him right. So that is going to conclude my empty house tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I cannot wait to take y'all on this journey as we decorate and buy things for this beautiful house that we purchased. This is my husband and I. This is our first house and it's our dream house, and we are just extremely blessed to even be in a position during a pandemic, during these times that we're even able to purchase a house. So we're just excited to take y'all on this journey as we build this house into a home and with our kids, and entertain family, just everything. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure that you comment down below ideas that you may think of for this house, because we're definitely gonna be on a long journey, because I like to shop, but I like to save too, so we can't be spending all our coins. So this is gonna be a long process. We're gonna have plenty of vlogs showing the different projects and everything that we're going to be doing. So yes, just make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next vlog. Thank you so much again. Thank you again so much for watching this video. Always remember, don't live for tomorrow, live for today. Bye, you guys.